it's me. I forgot my name, but yeah. I'm new in Count Fabulous Presents, so I think you better check them out. I already uploaded them today, and make sure to check it out. Well, I'm from here. Somebody's talking. Well, anyways, check me out in the new video of Count Fabulous. Well, I'm her sister, and also meet Jack Lara. She's here. Hi. Oh, that's Jack Lara. She's our teacher in Count Fabulous, so you better check it out. So that's us. We are new. So bye. See